That sounds better.
She's back this Sunday over on Absolute Radio. Her special guest will be the singer-songwriting.
Hey, got it. Let's see if this is rating. Oh, look at that. Not too sure about the grey. Oof. Woo-wee. Oh, there we are. Let's get this bad boy in. This bad boy in. 3. It's this one. Pick this one out. Strength, mate. Right, new one in. While you're in, should run the right way. Right, let's try and start it. Oh, that sounds much better. What do you think, Chief Mechanic? Good? See if this roof works. Oh yeah. Cool. Well, there it is. New thermostat housing. And there's the dog. What are you doing, Brodsky? Hey, 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 what are you doing, lad? Hey. Alright, let's get this bad boy put in the car. So there's the problem. That one's open. It's the new one. And that one, I can't say, but it's shut. So, we made a bit of a tapping sound. Getting louder and louder every time I started the engine. So I took the cover off and found this. See how that's all mangled up there? And that rocker arm's come off the top of one of the valves. Crap. It's come off the back one, it's come off the inlet one, which was never touched. Fucking hell. And so that there, that should be sitting on top of that bit in the centre. I don't know where that one is. Probably next to it. Balls. Fucking balls.